I'm just receiving a package on my cryo sculpting machine with BioLite, and the packaging, well, it came in, the box is a little bit crushed, as you can see, but I'm quite excited about seeing what the contents are. Let's see. Looks like these are the pads that came with it, that I specifically also ordered some extras. So we've got the belt, and it looks like the power supply. A gauge so that I can do my measurements. That's going to come in quite handy because it looks like it's space calipers. And let's see, one moment. So then we've got the electronic unit itself and the instruction set. And a nutrition guide, because as we all know, shrinking the fat or making it go away doesn't do much good unless you're also changing how you're eating. My workout has changed recently. 2 months ago, I started on 80-day obsession, and I figured this is going to be a really good addition to that. So anyway, this mechanism is not real heavy. It's probably, I'm guessing, a couple of pounds, and nice sturdy belt that it'll go with. And of course the power supply to pre-charge it. Anyway, that's about it, and I'm quite excited to get started on this.